Hello guys, and welcome back to GenC.com, where today we're going to basically unveil the Camaro headlights, LED headlights, completely enclosed headlight assembly. We will be the first on the market to introduce this. We've done this with Trans Am and it was a huge success, so we decided to also accommodate for the Camaro guys. This is basically for these early 80s Camaros. And as you can see, due to the fact that it's such a small headlight, we were only able to put 3 projectors in there in comparison to the Trans Am headlight, which is much bigger. Installation is really simple. As you can see here, we purchased a used housing, so that way, or should I say bucket, so that way we can test fit. This is one of them here installed. Very simple installation, marked with the top, so that way you know which way it should be facing for the correct cutoff line. And installation, like I said, is very simple, very easy. It just essentially slides right into the bucket and everything lines up perfectly, including basically the little notch here for the spring. And all it is essentially installing the 2 screws. So it's very simple and very easy. What we're going to do here in a little bit, we're actually going to light one up for you on my test case and give you an idea of how bright they are. They're definitely going to be much better than your stock halogen sealed beams, and you're definitely going to get an awesome look. You're going to be able to get a black housing. Projector is just going to look very, very clean and more modern, updated. As an example here, the Trans Am headlights. Those look very, very good, and we've had a lot of success with them. So stay tuned. Alright, so just to show you a quick video on how to install these. I mean, they're pretty simple, but I always like to do basically kind of a show of how it installs. As you can see here, fits perfectly with the spring on both sides. Look for the top mark, that should be basically up, and then it's pretty simple from there. You just basically take your bracket, it slides right in there, and it does not require any kind of force to get it in. As you can see, this is with the plastic on, and it's already pretty much flush. And then all you have to do is essentially insert your 2 screws, one here and one here, and that's basically the installation.